everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now here I am at Michael's taking a look to see what's new, so come on with me guys. So now these are some quick reminders for the month of June. And remember that you can always go to my community tab where I have all of the collaborations that are open invites for everyone to enjoy for the whole month of June. Let's get started, guys. Okay, now we have Declutter My Space every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure and use the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add your video to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. Now we have Tablescape Tuesdays, which is my favorite time of the week. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on June 13, we have a guest, and that is Creatively Miss Me, Stephanie. And the theme is Father's Day. The next one is Decorate My Home Shorts. If you love posting shorts, guys, it's great to do this with your own home as you decorate it. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I cannot wait to see you there. Okay, let's take a look at Decorate My Space. So every third Friday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, just refresh any area of your home and reveal. Use the hashtag, and I will be more than happy to add you to the playlist, guys. Every third Saturday of the month, we have Thrifted Creations. If you love doing thrift flips or refreshing an item or recycling, trash to treasure, you name it, you refresh it, make a video, add the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, every last Monday of the month, I am so happy to present to you Cozy Corner or Vignette. You can either decorate any cozy corner, either in your kitchen or your bathroom, wherever you decide to display your cozy corner, or you can decorate a vignette. I absolutely love this collab. Cannot wait to see you there, guys. So remember that you want to jot these things down. I have them all in my community tab, including the hashtags, and you just upload the video and I'll add it to the playlist, guys. Have an amazing day and God bless you.